Hey guys, welcome back to the outstanding video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you remove your payment method if you are unable to remove them, or if your payment method says that add another payment method before deleting your old payment method. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all you may open any browser. For example, I am opening here Google Chrome, and then guys you may log in with your Google account. Then you may click here on manage, and then guys you may see that this interface will be open. So you may select here on payments, and then guys here is the option of manage your payment method. So you may click here, and then guys you may remove your payment method from here. So if you are unable to remove your payment method from here, then guys I will tell you the second method. You may simply go back, and here is the option of manage subscriptions. So you may click here on manage subscriptions, and if there is any active subscription, so you may click on that and you may cancel subscription, and then you may go back and you may remove your payment method, and you may check your problem will be fixed, and now you can easily remove your payment method. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.